This is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the cargo area, which is pretty spacious and can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. On either side, you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them. You have a 12-volt power outlet, and on the opposite side, you have this power button for your tailgate lights, which can be articulated to shine where you want them. And underneath this rugged cargo cover, you have your spare with some extra compartments around for extra storage. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth and vinyl interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a USB and USB-C in the middle there. And the backs of the seats have zippered pouches, as well as MOLLE rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your favorite screen, trip information, general vehicle information, phone controls, audio controls, and driver assistance features and settings. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, as well as your auto start stop shut off and your hazards. Moving down from that, you have a little cubby here, and then your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay warm. Below that, you have this area with a 12-volt USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. And then you have your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, two cup holders, parking brake, brake hold, and your drive mode or goat mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, with another USB and USB-C inside, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.